94% of customer service jobs vanish by 2027. McKinsey data confirms it. OpenAI deployed ChatGPT into 200M workflows. IBM stopped hiring for back-office roles. Entire teams eliminated. No replacement positions created. Goldman Sachs reports 300 jobs at risk globally. That is nearly 1 in 3 workers. Data entry positions gone. Coding bootcamp graduates cannot find work. AI writes better code faster, cheaper. Accountants watch software complete their entire job in seconds. Not hours, seconds. Your paycheck is already being automated. Right now, this second. Your manager knows, but won't say. Marketing roles collapsing fastest. Adobe Firefly replaces 47,000 junior designers annually. That is 47,000 families losing income. Your job description exists on an AI training dataset. Your skills are being learned, replicated, replaced. Automation does not stop. It accelerates exponentially. You are watching your career become obsolete. We are not being dramatic, we are being accurate. The time to act is now. Not next year, not next month, right now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.